Hi, this is Mike Schmitz, and welcome to another edition of Screencasts Online. This week, we'll be looking at OmniFocus 3 for Mac with a focus on capture methods and custom perspectives. This is the second part in our OmniFocus series. In the first part of this series, we covered the basic features of OmniFocus for the Mac, including how the built-in perspectives work. And in this second tutorial, we're going to look at the many ways you can capture things into OmniFocus on the Mac, including the clipping shortcut, the OmniFocus mail drop, TaskPaper import, and even direct integration with a couple different email clients. And we're going to give you several examples of custom perspectives that you can set up if you decide to invest in the Pro version of OmniFocus. The custom perspectives are one of the most powerful features of OmniFocus, and in my opinion are worth every penny of the upgrade price. But after seeing some of the things you can do with custom perspectives in this tutorial, you'll be able to decide for yourself. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to take a look at is some additional ways that you can capture things into OmniFocus using the different capture methods that are available. We covered how to add things using simple keyboard shortcuts and the quick entry window in the last tutorial, so let's start with the clippings shortcut. To set up the clippings shortcut, go to the OmniFocus menu and select Preferences, then go to where it says Clippings Shortcut and click Set Shortcut. The System's Preferences pane opens. It takes us to the keyboard preferences. There's also a window here which shows us how to set this up. This is the OmniFocus Help window. I'm going to close this. We're going to take a look at this keyboard settings. To set up the clipping shortcut, we need to go to this left menu here and select Services. And then on the right, we need to scroll down until we find OmniFocus 3 Send to Inbox. Now I've had this installed already, so the box is already checked. If this is the first time you've ever set up the clipping shortcut on your computer, you'll want to make sure that this box is checked. We can also click to add a keyboard shortcut, which I'm going to do right now. Just click to add the shortcut, then type in the key combination you want to use. I'm going to use Control, Option, Command, O. This works great with text. Just select text, right-click, and send it to the inbox, or just use this keyboard combination now of Control, Option, Command, O, and it will take the selected text and send it straight to our OmniFocus inbox. We're going to show you how to do that in a little bit. For now, let's close the keyboard system preferences and the general preferences in OmniFocus. Now let's go over to Safari, and we'll look at another simpler way that you can send things straight into OmniFocus.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.